have a huge river just behind me. I am very fond of Guayaquil because 5 years ago I came here to work and I stayed 4 months with the best strangers I could possibly meet. So I came back and this is my story. What you see here is the airport. This is Guayaquil Airport. This is not a park. This is actually outside the airport. The first place we will see is the Centenario Square in honor to the 100th anniversary of Guayaquil's independence.
Se reunían siempre en un burdel. ¿Qué?
¿Qué cosa?
Todos los troces siempre se reunían en un burdel que pertenecía a una señora llamada Manuel. Ahí se reunían y conversaban de cómo íbamos a hacer independencia. Entonces la gente no sospechaba que todo el mundo se reunía en un burdel. ¿Entiendes? Y entonces ¿cuál era el plan? Entonces en la madrugada del 9 de octubre asaltaron todas las barracas de los militares españoles, aquí en Guayaquil y también en Daule.
Yeah.
Atacaron mientras estaban dormidos y los cogieron a todos de rehenes. Ya fuimos independientes.
And now we are gonna take a look at Guayaquil's cathedral. And right now the towers are under some reparations because they got a bit damaged after the last earthquake. And we are inside Guayaquil's cathedral. It's not that old. It's a neo-Gothic style. And now we will see the main attraction of Guayaquil, that is the iguana park. This is actually called the Seminario Park. There are iguanas all over the place where you can feed them and touch them, take photos with them. Here you can also find turtles and some cool fish. A ver, sonríe.
Cosas para la foto, iguanita. Sí, que no se van a mover con este sol que hay.
And some blocks from here we will find the administration square and the most important building, that is the town hall. Right now it's closed, but it doesn't matter because we can see that beautiful glass roof that we have there, and it goes on the other side to the Malecon. These guys are here the ones responsible for the independence. The meeting held to plan the independence of Guayaquil was called the Forge of Vulcan. And all the people you see next to me are the ones who attended that meeting.
¿De quién es? José Joaquín Olmedo.
Oh. ¿Y él es?
El gobernador de Guayaquil, pues, el primer presidente. ¿Cómo decir cuando siendo gira? Como aquí está el símbolo de los masones. Siempre masones, nunca inmasones.
Let's keep it a secret. And now we are at Malecon 2000. And here we have the Moorish Tower. This construction is from the 1930s, but the clock is actually from the end of the 19th century. And just facing the tower, we have our friend Juan Pueblo.
¿Amas a Juan? Dímelo, ¿amas a Juan? Estoy grabando.
And this is the ship of the Navy of Guayaquil. You can pay an entrance and you can have a look inside. Okay, we'll follow along the Malecon. One of the first things that surprised me most at Guayaquil was the size of this river. Have you ever seen a river this big? And this is the monument of Simón Bolívar and José de San Martín. The ones who were able to get the independence from Spain. And they both met in Guayaquil. You can actually hear from one side to the other. Malecon 2000 is the main tourist attraction of Guayaquil. It's full of monuments, history, restaurants, but also places like this. You can find a peaceful place full of nature in the middle of this place. And in the Malecon there's also a playground. And what I have right behind me is called the Pearl of Guayaquil. But unfortunately I don't have time to get in, but maybe you can. And this place is the Peñas neighborhood. It's one of the few old places in Guayaquil. This is how it used to look before all the fires it has had in its history. Las Peñas is a place full of arts and crafts stores, restaurants, bars, and it's a place you must visit.
El diseñador de América. El ecuatoriano que dejamos más
Following the same path from the Peñas neighborhood, we will get to Santa Ana port. This port is quite new. It's right next to the Guayas River. There's just hotels and very expensive apartments and really nice bars and restaurants. Some time ago, this was the place of the National Brewery Company and the rice and dairy companies. Things have changed quite a bit since then. We're gonna go up this hill and we're gonna go every single step up to the hill. We are in the step 186. We have more to go. We haven't got there yet. Yeah, we're in the step 345. We're already gone this far. Almost there. Almost. Step 444. And we're gonna have nice views of the city when I stop sweating. Santa Ana Hill is the main viewpoint of the whole city. From here we can have a 360-degree view of the whole city. Hey, our friend from Puebla is here too. The story says that the Spanish treasure hunter was facing death and he invoked Santa Ana for help. He survived and he put a cross in this hill that said Santa Ana, and from there it got its name. Fortunately, the lighthouse is closed, otherwise we could climb the stairs of the lighthouse to have even better looks of the city. But still, we're gonna have some interesting shoots from here. And from up here, we can have a great view of the city and the river Guayas, the Malecon, Guayaquil Pearl. And what you see, that green part on the other side of the river, is an island in the river that is called the Island Santay. Now it's time to go downstairs. Yeah, the 400 something stairs. See you now. That was it for today. But next week we will go on with our walking tour in Guayaquil. And thank you to all the people of Couchsurfing Guayaquil for making this video possible. See you next week. Figuretti!